Religion during this time is very hard to measure. There were Christians in Britannia at the time, which was brought over by the Romans. Because the British Isles were a group of islands, the culture of Italian Catholicism found it harder to maintain cultural dominance here, and some British Christians thought differently. This period of the religion is vaguely grouped together and is known as Celtic Christianity. It was distinctive from Catholicism in many ways, from art to worship. There is a synthesis between Christian beliefs and indigenous pagan traditions. Even under Roman Christianity, many Celtic pagan cults and rituals still survived, and some historians speculate that there might have been some Druidic circles still practicing. Many Celtic Christians merged some of their pagan beliefs into their Christian lives, such as the worshipping of other gods rebranded as saints, and the maintaining of pagan holidays such as Halloween and Easter. This merging carried on even with the introduction of Anglo-Saxon paganism, creating a hodgepodge of unique beliefs in Britannia consisting of Christianity, Celtic paganism, and Anglo-Saxon paganism. This belief system lays the foundations of modern Anglicanism. For some centuries, even after Augustine, only the elites of the Anglo-Saxons would become Christian, with the majority of the Anglo-Saxons holding on to their pagan beliefs. The elites converted most likely to ally themselves to the rich Frankish kingdoms across the Channel.
Be sure to check out my other channel, History Sticks, for the complete, longer and comprehensive video.